Today's video we're gonna try the dragon fruit. For the first time. Hello friends, how y'all doing? In today's video we're gonna try the dragon fruit for the first time. And it's this funny looking fruit. Not even look like a dragon to me. Alright, let's check it out. Let's cut it in half and see what's inside. Alright.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that.
It's kind of like a kiwi.
Oh, looking like kiwi, huh? Look at this. It totally looks like kiwi to me, but the white ones. So let's try it out and see how it tastes like. You guys ready? Really good. It's better than kiwi.
It's like watermelon and kiwi together.
Not much flavor to it.
Not much? Really? I think it is. So these black dots are seeds actually. There's a bunch of them. I really like it. So I'm assuming you only eat this inside, not that. For sure. It's just the skin here. I don't think you can eat it.
I mean, I'll try.
No. It's
Yeah, you can't even get it.
You cannot eat it. It's very tough. Well, as you guys can see, it's all gone. It was really good. Actually, I was surprised how good it tastes. Did you guys like that?
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah,
For me.
perfect.
Would you buy it again?
Oh yeah.
Fair enough. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and I'll see you next time.